So in today's video, we are going to be attempting to sublimate on these Dollar Tree glitter patches. So if you want to see if you can sublimate on it or not, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do mostly sublimation videos, but I also do Cricut and sewing videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing these Dollar Tree glitter patches. They are 2 patches in a pack. They are 5 by 5.25. So when I made my design, I believe I did 5.1 by 5.35. So make it a little bit bigger so that you have some room. So again, these come in a 2-pack and they're meant to be like patches that you can, the picture kind of shows it, like you can cut it with your Cricut, and then it has adhesive in the back. So the back looks like this, and this part adheres to your whatever you're putting it on. It's not like something you peel or anything like that. So it's just a patch, I guess, but it's just meant to be ironed onto your garment. It says it recommends to put it on 100% cotton. That's where you're gonna get the best application. So I just made a rectangle and I made it 5.3 by 5.2. And then I found this beautiful image on Creative Fabrica. I'll have it linked down below, but I really loved it and I just brought it down to size to fit within that rectangle, and then I deleted the rectangle. It was just there to help me size my image. So this is the design that I decided to go for the patch, and the reason why I picked this design is, well, it's obviously beautiful. It'll be linked down below, but because it has black ink in it, so we'll see how well the black shows up on here, but it also has a bunch of different colors. So we'll see what colors you'll be able to see on here and what colors you won't. So that's kind of why I picked this one. So I'm just going to cut it down. And this is a glitter patch. It's 5 by 5.25. And it's made to just kind of be like an iron-on patch, basically. It comes in a 2-pack. So I just have a canvas tote bag that I'm going to be putting this on. So we're going to put on the patch first, I think. Or can we just do it all in one shot? Maybe we'll try to do it all in one shot because I'm a little lazy like that. So basically we're just going to put the patch on here where you want it. And then I'm also going to sub on here. So I made my design a little too big because I made it a little bit bigger than the patch. Oh, so remember that when you are working with this patch, one side is longer than the other side. So make sure to pay attention to that. So I think I'm gonna attempt to do this all in one go, and hopefully it works out. So I'm just gonna put my patch where I want it. I'm gonna put my design down and I can see through the paper. I'm not going by the edge of the paper. I'm just looking through the paper and kind of seeing where it lines up. And then I'm just going to tape it all down. And you can put this patch on anything you would like. I think you can also use it kind of like HTV. It kind of shows like an ice cream on a shirt. So you can use it in a lot of different ways. I just wanted to see if you can sub on it. Okay, so let's take it to our heat press and let's see how well it adheres and if you can sub on it or not. I'm gonna put my bag down and I'm gonna put the part where the handles are, I'm gonna put that this way off the heat press, and I'm gonna get butcher paper and I'm just gonna put that on top. I'm thinking I'm also just gonna get a piece of Teflon. Just to cover the rest of my bag. And I'm just gonna press at my normal temperature, which is 385 for 60 seconds. Okay. So I can see the design through it. Let's see. Oh, so this is how much ink I still have, which still seems like a lot of ink. But how cute is that? Let's move over to my desk so we can look at it much closer. It's definitely not super vibrant. I think the camera makes it more vibrant than what it is. It's definitely not super vibrant. Like you can't tell that these are flowers. You can tell that's a rainbow. You can see what it says, but it's not as vibrant as I thought it was gonna be. But it's stuck on there really, really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it turned out so cute, and you can see much more than what I thought. You could see, definitely see, believe they have different color patches. So see if you can find like a silver one. I doubt they'll have like a white glittery one, but if you can find white, that would be best. But a silver one I think would be good enough too, where you would be able to see more colors. But you can definitely still read it, and you can tell that they're like, when you kind of turn it, you can tell that there's flowers, and you can tell that it's a rainbow. So I think it's definitely cute, and it can definitely be used in some cute ways. I like it. So let me know down below if you guys try it. Also let me know if there's anything else you want me to try from Dollar Tree. I will be going this weekend and seeing what I can find. And I promise there's a giveaway still coming. I promise I have not forgotten. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you for all of your love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.